I bought a 2021 Mach 1 Mustang.
Right on. Why did you buy this specific car?
One, we really liked the way it looked. Two, my girlfriend liked it, so that's the most important thing. And three, it's a day late birthday present for her. So.
Why did you buy this car specifically from Grant at Luke Hughes?
The reason we bought here is one, it was great customer service. When we walked in the door, Grant met us, greeted us, and answered all our questions. Two, we had called around to actually 2 or 3 different dealerships, and they were asking astronomical prices over what the MSRP was. And this is the first place that we called that actually gave us the actual price of the car.
Why would you tell somebody to come buy a vehicle at Luke Hughes Ford?
I would tell people to buy here, one, because the customer service is great. Two, the salesperson I had was very knowledgeable. And three, it was a very easy process. I don't even think we've been here an hour yet, and everything's already just about done.